Did you know that honey has been used as a medicine for thousands of years? Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans all turned to honey for its incredible healing properties. Not just for its sweet taste, but for its ability to nourish the body, heal wounds, and even beautify the skin. For centuries, honey was considered a powerful elixir, a remedy that could cure infections, boost immunity, and maintain youthful skin. It was even used in royal beauty treatments. Cleopatra herself was said to use honey and milk baths to keep her skin soft, smooth, and glowing. Why honey works wonders for your skin. 1. Natural humectant. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps your skin retain moisture. When applied topically, it draws moisture from the air and locks it into your skin. This helps to keep your skin hydrated, soft, and smooth. That's why honey is so often found in moisturizing skincare products. 2. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Honey is packed with antioxidants, which fight off free radicals that cause skin aging. Its anti-inflammatory properties also help to reduce redness, irritation, and puffiness. If you're prone to acne or other skin conditions, honey's ability to soothe and calm the skin can be a game changer. 3. Antibacterial and antifungal. One of the standout qualities of honey is its ability to fight bacteria and fungi. This makes it great for treating acne and other skin infections. It helps to cleanse the skin and promote healing, making it a natural remedy for acne-prone skin. 4. Brightens complexion. Honey is rich in vitamins and minerals that can brighten and even out your skin tone. Regular use of honey can give your skin a healthy glow, reducing the appearance of dark spots and scars. The benefits of honey for your gut health. Now, let's shift gears and talk about how honey can benefit your gut health. This is where the magic of honey really shines, not just for your skin but for your overall wellness. 1. Probiotic properties. Honey contains prebiotics, which are substances that help stimulate the growth of good bacteria in the gut. This is important because a healthy balance of bacteria in your gut is essential for digestion, immunity, and even mental health. 2. Gut healing. Honey has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe and heal the digestive tract. It can be especially helpful for people suffering from ulcers or other digestive issues. By reducing inflammation, honey promotes healing and supports gut function. 3. Digestive aid. If you've ever had an upset stomach, you might have heard that honey can help. It's true. Honey has enzymes that help break down food more efficiently and can aid in the digestion of heavy meals. It's also known to relieve indigestion and bloating. 4. Supports gut flora. Honey supports the diversity and health of the gut microbiome. By feeding beneficial bacteria in your gut, it can improve your digestive health and boost immunity. The gut is often called the second brain, and supporting it with honey can improve your overall well-being. How to use honey for skin and gut health. Now that we know all about the amazing benefits of honey, let's talk about how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. 1. Honey face mask. For glowing skin, apply a thin layer of raw honey to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. The antibacterial properties help cleanse your skin, while the humectant action ensures that your skin stays hydrated and smooth. You can also mix honey with lemon juice or turmeric for added benefits. 2. Honey and cinnamon mask. For acne-prone skin, try mixing honey with cinnamon. Both honey and cinnamon have antibacterial properties that work wonders together to fight off acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation. Apply the mask for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off. 3. Honey in your diet. To benefit your gut, simply add a spoonful of raw honey to your tea or warm water. You can also mix it into smoothies or oatmeal. Pro tip: try adding honey to your probiotic yogurt to enhance the growth of good bacteria and improve gut health. 4. Honey and ginger tea. For overall wellness and digestive health, a warm cup of honey and ginger tea is a great option. Ginger helps with digestion, while honey soothes the stomach and adds a touch of sweetness. This combination can also help reduce nausea and calm an upset stomach. So, as you can see, honey is more than just a natural sweetener, it's a powerful, ancient remedy that can help transform your skin and gut health. Whether you're using it topically for glowing skin or consuming it to support your digestive system, honey is a true gift from nature. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies right here on Kitchen Hospital. And hey, if you know someone who could benefit from the amazing power of honey, be sure to share this video with them. Until next time, stay healthy, stay glowing, and take care of your gut.